Hello friends, boat and stream part 2, question number 1. A boat going upstream takes 9 hours 30 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 3 hours 60 minutes to cover 7 by 15 of the same distance running downstream. What is the ratio of speed boat and speed of water current? 9 hours 30 minutes divided by 64 hours, 32 ja 90 18 and 1 19 by 2 hours. This is the time of upstream and downstream time. 3 hours 60 minutes divided by 64 hours. 4 4 ja 4 15 ja 15 3 ja 45 45 4 49 49 1 15. पूरा डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? इसके लिए 49 by 15 7 by 15 इसका इनवर्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 15 by 7 7 7 ja 7 hours is the time in downstream. Upstream and downstream time and speed. Time is 19 by 2 and downstream time 7. Speed time converse 7 and 19 by 2. Ratio of speed of boat and current x by y is equal to downstream plus upstream and downstream minus upstream. Downstream speed 19 by 2 19 by 2 plus 7 19 by 2 minus 7 7 to the 14 14 and 19 33 33 by 2 and 7 to the 14 19 minus 14 5 by 2 33 by 2 multiply by 2 by 5 2 से 2 cancel 33 by 5 is the answer. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे. Question number 2. A boat takes 9 hours for traveling downstream from point A to B and coming back to point C at 4 by 5 the distance between A and B from point B if the velocity of steam is 9 km per hour and speed of boat in still water 21 km per hour. Distance between A and B. Total 5 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 parts. डाउनस्ट्रीम एंड अपस्ट्रीम. अपस्ट्रीम में डिस्टेंस कवर हुआ है 5 में से 4. पॉइंट सी यहाँ होगा. स्पीड ऑफ बोट एक्स एंड स्ट्रीम 21 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड 9 किलोमीटर पर आवर. डाउन स्ट्रीम एंड अपस्ट्रीम. डाउन स्ट्रीम के लिए प्लस 21 एंड 9 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर and upstream 12 km per hour. Distance cover plus distance cover in downstream and upstream total time in 9 hours. Distance in downstream 30 plus distance covered in upstream 12 is equal to 9. In upstream distance cover 4 by 5 multiply by 4 by 5 4 3 ja 5 3 15 एलसीएम लेंगे 30 d प्लस 2d इज इक्वल टू 9. सॉल्व करेंगे 3d डिवाइड बाई 30 इज इक्वल टू 9 3 10 जा d इज इक्वल टू 90 किलोमीटर टोटल डिस्टेंस. बी सी इज इक्वल टू 90 मल्टीप्लाई 4 बाई 5 5 18 जा एंड 18 4 जा 72 किलोमीटर इज द आंसर. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे. Question number 3. A boat can row to a place 112 km away and come back in 22 hours. The time to row 21 km with the stream is same as the time to row 12 km against the stream. Find the speed of boat. In this question, let करेंगे downstream and upstream. Downstream 21, upstream 12. A is the constant value. Double 1 to distance and double 1 to distance covered in downstream 21A and upstream 12A. Total time 22 hours. Double 1 2 is the common. 1 by 22A plus 1 by 12A 22. Double 1 2 LCM लेंगे 84 21 4 जा 12 7 जा 14 6 जा 14 8 जा 2 4 जा 2 3 जा 4/3a multiply by 11 is equal to 22. 11 2 जा 2 2 जा a की वैल्यू है 2/3. a की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे. 3 7 जा 3 4 जा डाउन स्ट्रीम इज एंड अप स्ट्रीम 7 to 14 and upstream 4 to 8 km/h. X is equal to downstream plus upstream divided by 2. 14 plus 22 divided by 2 11 km/h is the answer. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 10 to cover distance in upstream by a boat is 16.2/3% more than downstream if the speed of current is 8 km/h. Find the speed of boat in still water. 16.2/3% is equal to 1/6 more than downstream. This is the time of downstream and upstream time. 6 plus 1 7. 7 is the upstream time. Downstream and upstream time and speed time का इनवर्स 7 6. y is equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. 7 minus 6 divided by 2. 1/2. 1/2 represent करेगा speed of current 8 km. 1 unit is equal to 8 to 16. Speed of boat is equal to x. Downstream plus upstream divided by 2. 7 6. 7 plus 6 divided by 2. 13/2. 1 unit is equal to 16 multiply 16. 2 8 is 16. 13 8 is 104 km/h is the speed of boat in still water. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. A boat can cover 14 km upstream and 41 km downstream total in 3 hours. Also it can cover 21 km upstream and 42 km downstream total in 5 hours. What is the speed of current? 14 km in upstream and 21 km in downstream, total time 3 hours. 21 km in upstream and 42 km in downstream, total time 5 hours. अपस्ट्रीम एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम डिनोमिनेटर में लेट करेंगे. a is equal to 1/u and b is equal to 1/d. इसको यहाँ लिखेंगे 14a plus 21b is equal to 3. 21a plus 42b is equal to 5. सेम करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई 2 से करेंगे. इसको यहाँ लिखते हैं 14 2 28, 21 2 42, b is equal to 3 2 6. इसको यहाँ लिखते हैं 21a plus 42b is equal to 5. Minus 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 cancel. 28 minus 21 7. 7a is equal to 6 minus 5 1. a is equal to 1/7. 1/7. a की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे here 14 1/7 plus 21b is equal to 3. 7 2 ja 21b 3 minus 2 1. b is equal to 1/21. a की वैल्यू एंड b की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे यहाँ तो अप स्ट्रीम इज इक्वल टू 7 एंड डाउन स्ट्रीम इज इक्वल टू 21. Speed of current y is equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. Downstream 21. 21 minus 7 divided by 2. 14/2 7 km/h is the answer. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A boat going upstream takes 8 hours 24 minutes to cover a certain distance while it takes 5 hours to cover 5/7 part of this distance running downstream. Then what is the ratio of the speed of boat to speed of water current? Upstream time is equal to 8 hours 24 minutes divided by 64 hours. 12 5 ja 12 2 ja 5 8 ja 40 and 2 42 divided by 5 hours and downstream time 5 hours. टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा, इसके ओवर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7/5, 5 to 5 कैंसिल 7 आवर. Upstream and downstream time and speed. Upstream time 42/5 and 7. Speed time converts 7/42/5. Ratio both and stream x by y is equal to downstream plus upstream and downstream minus upstream is equal to 42/5 plus 7 and divide by 42/5 minus 7. 7 5 35, 35 and 42, 77, 77/5, 7 5 35, 42 minus 35, 7/5 is equal to 77/5 multiply 5/7, 5 to 5 cancel 7, 11, 11/1, 11 ratio 1 is the ratio. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. A boat takes 5 hours for traveling downstream from point A to point B and coming back to point C at 3/4 of total distance between A and B from point B. If the velocity of steam is 3 km per hour and the speed of boat in still water is 9 km per hour, what is the distance between A and B? Distance between A and B, total parts 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Point C is on 3 points. Downstream and this is upstream. 1, 2, 3. This is the point C. Total distance covered in downstream and total distance covered in upstream is equal to total time 5 hours. Distance covered in downstream x and y is equal to 9 km per hour and 3 km per hour. Downstream plus 9 3 12 km per hour and upstream speed -3 6 km per hour. Downstream speed 12 plus distance covered in upstream 6 is equal to total time 5, but in upstream distance covered 3/4. 3/4 3 2 6 LCM लेंगे 24, 12 2 8 3 5D 24 is equal to 5. 5 से 5 cancel. D की वैल्यू 24 किलोमीटर. 24 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज द आंसर. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Raman can row 1/3 km per hour in still water and finds that it takes him thrice as much time to row up than as to row down the same distance in the river. What is the sum of speed of boat and steam? 1/3 km per hour. This is the x. 93, 57 and 158. 58/3 km per hour. Downstream and upstream time and speed. Time is thrice of upstream than downstream. Speed time converts 3 and 1. X is equal to downstream plus upstream divided by 2. Downstream plus upstream 3 and 1 4. 4/2 2 is equal to 58/3. 58/3. 1 unit is equal to 29. 1 unit is equal to 29/3. Speed of stream is equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. 1. 3 minus 1 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 2. 2/2. 1. 1 is equal to 29/3. So 29/3 is the speed of stream kilometer per hour. Boat and stream is equal to 58/3 and 29/3. 58 plus 29 87. 87 divided by 3 29 km per hour is the answer. चलता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे. Question number 9. A boat can row to a place 120 km away and come back in 6 hours 15 minutes. The time to row the upstream is 50% more than the downstream. Find the speed of current. Downstream and upstream 50% is equal to 1 by 2 more than downstream. This is the time of downstream. Time and speed 2 and 2 plus 1 3. Speed is inverse of time 3 by 2. Total time is equal to 6 hours 15 minutes divided by 64 hours. 15 4 the 6 4 is 24 and 125. 25 by 4 hours is the total time. 120 kilometer in downstream and 120 kilometer in upstream. Total time 25 by 4. 2 is equal to 25 by 4. एक्चुअल स्पीड ये नहीं है. 3 and 2 ए कांस्टेंट वैल्यू रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. 3 से ए कैंसिल 40. 2 से ए कैंसिल 60. 100. ए इज इक्वल टू 25 by 4. 25 4 जा ए की वैल्यू 4 4 जो 16. ए इज इक्वल टू 16. ए की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे. डाउन स्ट्रीम इज इक्वल टू 3 multiply 16. 16 3 is 48. Upstream is equal to 2 and A 16. 62 is 32. Speed of current is Y. Downstream minus upstream divided by 2. 48 minus 32 divided by 2. 16 by 2. 2 से cancel 8. 8 km per hour is the speed of current. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. A man rode to a place 120 km distance and come back in a total of 2 hours 15 minutes. He found that he can row a distance with the stream 25% more than against the stream in the same time. What is the speed of boat in still water? Total time is equal to 2 hours plus 15 minutes and divided by 64 hours. 15 4 ja 4 2 8 and 1 9. 9 by 4 hours is the total time. 25% is equal to 1 by 4. This is the upstream speed and downstream speed is 4 plus 1 5. Downstream and upstream speed is 5 and 4. This is not actual value. Represent करेंगे a constant value 120 km in downstream and 120 km in upstream. Total time 9 by 4. Downstream 5a. Upstream 4a. 4 3 ja 5 से a cancel 24. 24 and 30 54. A is equal to 9 by 4. 9 6 ja 54. A की वैल्यू 6 4 ja 24. 24. A की वैल्यू 24. Actual speed of downstream and upstream is equal to 5a. A is 24. 24 multiply 5 120. 24 multiply by 4 and 6. X is equal to downstream plus upstream divided by 2. 120 plus 96 divided by 2 is equal to 216 divided by 2 divided by 2. 108 km per hour. 108 km per hour is the आंसर. ओके फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.